She's heavy, and there's a lot of really good reasons why. Hi, I'm Scotty Callahan, and as you can see, I've just come home with my brand new Rocket Giotto. And as a barista, like many of my colleagues, I'm excited to have one of these iconic machines. And what we're going to be doing today is unpacking my new machine, setting it up in my kitchen, and demonstrating for you what I'm doing so you can understand why she is such a fantastic machine and helping you to get the best out of her. Beautiful, isn't she? The reason why I love the Rocket Giotto is simply because I know I can get the same quality espresso coffee out of this machine as I can off my commercial machine at work. It's a commercial machine in a fantastic looking domestic package, such as the copper brass nickel plated boiler, the heat exchanger system, and the solid brass E61 group head. All of these things combined with many other features mean that I can use this machine to get a beautiful espresso. Let's face it, you get what you pay for. And with the Rocket Giotto, you get Italian style in a domestic package. Now, we're crazy not to add to that style some awesome piece of equipment, some important piece of equipment that will help us get the best out of her. Such as a good burr grinder, such as the Anthem Best Grinder. A grinder that has burr blades which will grind your grind particles nice and consistently, and most importantly so that you can grind your coffee beans fresh, which is really important. Okay, what else do we need? Coffee beans, of course. With your coffee beans, find a good local reputable roaster. Someone who's roasting their coffee fresh. Someone who's going to give you good advice and be really helpful with any questions you've got. A good black furry tea towel is ideal. I'll show you how we use this shortly. I'm just going to put it through my belt here so that it's handy when I'm making espresso so that I can clean my filter basket, which I'll explain shortly. Knocker tube to knock out your coffee grinds. For me, I love good, thick, small Italian espresso cups. This is how I drink my coffee. I've got a few mementos here from my travels to Italy. And for my milk coffee, I still like a nice, small, traditional, a cappuccino style cup. Your coffee's going to taste better in a small cup. Here we've got a traditional Italian espresso machine, so let's keep it small so that we can taste the coffee through our cappuccino. The tamper. The tamper is the barista's knife. All good chefs have their collection of knives. All good baristas have their collection of tampers. I have quite a few of these. These are two of my favourite. It's a really important tool, and I'm going to demonstrate how we use that shortly. Cloths. Try and have a few cloths handy. One so that you can wipe the steam wand, and one so that you can wipe any other dirty coffee grind so you don't get cross-contamination between those cloths. Milk jugs. Small is good. You don't want real big 1 litre milk jugs. You want nice small ones. I've got a 400ml one here, and I've got a 600ml milk jug. I don't use any bigger milk jugs than that. Two reasons. You want to heat your milk once, and you want to heat it to the right temperature. And you can do that with small milk jugs. Dosing tools. Actually, Scotty Callahan dosing tools. Bit of a product placement, but I really love using them. They help me dose consistently and correctly. And that's what you want to be doing when you're making espresso coffee. Okay, so my advice is to get together all of these tools to get the best out of your new Rocket Giotto home espresso machine.